'cause she's got it all. Just give a big loving, kissing and a hug.